Hi, buddy. Hi, buddy boy. Yeah. That's a face of a grouse hunter, right?
It's Brad, you're gonna want to take some steps towards me, because it's right. See the 3 pine trees? It's right in the middle of the 3 pine trees.
Okay. You want me to try to just walk towards it?
I don't care. It's your dog. It's your deal, man.
Get in the gunny position, Jim.
Shoot it! There goes a bird. That's a grouse. It was right here. Dutch was on the other side and I'm over here, and that bird flushed freaking. Yeah. You summed it up. He's bird crazy. Here, Dutch. Got a point. Dang it. Good boy, Dutchie, good boy. Dang it. These birds are freaking smart. Good boy, Dutchie. Yeah, he kept going straight. Did you see him after he flew? Okay. Good morning, YouTube. We're right back at our woodcock spot. It's Dutch's turn, and he is all excited. Yesterday we put up 10 or 11 here, and we're hoping we can find them again. So I'm not going to shoot woodcock by myself without the dog. pointing. We decided to do that. I just put one up. Probably the best shot I could have had all week. You're too late, buddy. Oh. He just relocated. Man, is it thick. I'm gonna try to get around. Try. Oh man. Well, in this little 20-minute walk, we put up 3, but no points. This last one flushed from the tree, from a pine tree. Look at this terrain. This is perfect. Hey, Dutch, this way. Here. I got a point over here. Now he's tracking. Got a woodcock. Yeah. Grouse. Grouse just went up. Well, we got 2, maybe 3 up in an hour and 15 minutes. So we walked the lake. Really awesome scene here. And yeah, it's a nice evening in Michigan, in the UP. All right, it's our last morning. It's Friday. We're at our woodcock spot, and we really hope to shed some blood. Huh, buddy? Okay, come on. I love how he does that. It's like he's sleepwalking and then he...
Okay, you want me to wake up?
Okay. There he goes. I think, hopefully, if he gets on point, I'll go in, flush the bird, it'll fly over the trail, you shoot it. How's that sound?
Sounds like a pretty good plan.
Yeah. What do you think, buddy? Good plan? Get over here, Brad. Quick, quick. I'm gonna go right in. Yeah!
I don't think I hit it. I think it went down before.
I don't care. You got a shot. It worked. The plan worked. I didn't even hear it. I didn't even see it.
It went down right.
Okay, well he'll probably re-point or find it. All right, buddy. Good boy. Good boy.
Boy, Dutchie.
Here, buddy. Okay, go. Shoot it! You get it?
Oh, the dead bird. There's a dead bird right there. Right below us. Good boy.
Okay, Dutch. Okay, Dutch. Fetch. Fetch. Dead bird. Dead bird. Fetch. Here, here, here. Here. Oh, Dutchie. Here, boy. Here, boy. Oh, that's the Dutchie. Give. 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 Give.
It's fresh, right?
Yeah. Yeah.
So it's got to be one of those birds I shot at.
Nice. Good boy. Good boy. This might be our last hunt of the week. Dutchie did good at the last spot. We got 4 points. We got 1 bird. Now we got to get a grouse, huh? Oh, buddy. Okay. Yesterday when we were here, we flushed 3 grouse in that stretch just now. About a 25 minutes walk. Nothing yet. Nothing this time. This little silicone collapsible bowl is awesome. It is really a game changer. We packed all our water in to camp, so every bit of water was precious. Here, Dutch, here. More? Attaboy. Bird up! Grouse up!